Hey guys, today I'm gonna be opening this package. So yeah, I got this because remember the other unboxing, they gave me a spoiled truck and broken wheels. So I'm gonna open this. Okay. Let's see what they gave me. Empty. So that's pretty sick. Cool. It's one pair of trucks. Yeah. I'm not going to school today. I stayed home because I'm sick. They gave me black trucks because the other time I bought black trucks it was spoiled, and they gave me black tires. Yeah. This package is from Hobby Racks Malaysia if you're wondering. Yeah. Okay. The trucks. This truck, because it's just one of it. Yeah, truck. 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 Some wheels. 2 wheels. 2 pairs. I guess I should like well I'm gonna be setting it up. I told them they gave me spoiled trucks, so they said they're gonna send new pairs to like a as their apology. So they give me these trucks and wheels with hardwares. This is what happened to the old trucks, the old wheels. This is just with no bearing. The bearing is here. That's the bearing. It came off in the post. it was so sad. I didn't skate it. It's just so depressing. Just one wheel. All of the others are fine. I'm gonna put the hardware into the storage so I don't lose them. Later on, I'm gonna set it up to the other deck. This deck. The V2.0 Hobby Rex Malaysia. This is their deck. I took a paper clip and unbind it and make it like this so I can hang it to places so it looks cool. So now officially I'm gonna use this deck again instead of using this old deck. That's also Hobby Rex, but it's not V2.0, it's the natural wood ply version of the, I forgot the series name, but yeah. So okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you subscribe, like, and dislike, and comment down below what you do not like about this video, and I'll start to improve my videos. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.